Welcome. Over the next 28 days, we will be exploring a structured gratitude practice inspired by the book The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. In her words, no matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic is going to change your entire life. Gratitude is simple, and perhaps that is exactly why so many dismiss it. It can feel too obvious, too easy, too small to make a real difference. And yet my experience tells me otherwise. I have been expressing gratitude for many years. It was first reinforced for me through Jack Canfield's book, The Success Principles. The concept and practice stayed with me. However, I don't think I fully understood or believed its true power. Then, in December 2024, a friend, Kate, gifted me the book, The Magic. I was on summer holidays away from home, and I read the book immediately. There was something powerful about following a structured daily practice, not just thinking grateful thoughts, but actively expressing them with focus and repetition, at times feeling challenged. Since then, I have repeated the 28-day gratitude practice every 3 to 6 months. This year, I may practice it every 3 months. Why? Because this year, the year of the fire horse, feels fast. My word for this year is momentum. And expressing gratitude is an important part of that. Gratitude steadies momentum. It directs momentum. It protects momentum from becoming burnout. I also include gratitude in all of my business events. At the beginning of workshops, strategy sessions, and masterminds, we pause to express appreciation. Why? Because it gives participants permission to leave real life at the door, to step out of distraction, out of pressure, out of reactive thinking, and into presence. Gratitude shifts the room, it shifts energy, it shifts openness, it shifts possibility. So I invite you, just for a moment, to suspend disbelief, suspend suspicion, suspend the part of your mind that says, this is too simple to work. Instead, adopt a different premise. What if this is true? What if expressing daily gratitude truly does create exponential positive change? For the next 28 days, approach this as an experiment. Participate fully, even if there is apprehension. Commit to expressing gratitude daily and simply observe what changes. Notice how you feel. Notice how you respond. Notice what begins to shift. Internally first. You don't need to force belief, just practice and observe what happens.